Let's make art. Today we'll make art like Keith Haring. You will create a drawing full of energy and emotion, inspired by the style of iconic 1980s artist Keith Haring. You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to. Here's what you'll need: paper, magazine, newspaper, or a photo of a person, tape, markers or crayons, pencil. Do you have your materials ready? Let's start. Choose a page from a magazine that shows a person. You can use one from a newspaper or a photo. Tape it to a window that faces the light. Place a sheet of paper over it and tape the paper at the top and the bottom. Using a crayon, marker, or pencil, trace the outline of the person. After you finish tracing one person, add more people using the same method. Now take down your paper from the window. We'll start drawing next. Draw lines, shapes, and marks around and in the figure. Use many colors, or only 2 or 3 colors like Keith Haring. Haring was known for his boldly outlined figures and his use of symbols to bring life into his art. In his paintings, he used rounded lines around figures to show movement, straight lines to show sound or energy, and hearts to represent love. When you're drawing, think about what emotion the figure in your drawing is feeling, based on all the lines and marks you used. Don't worry about making it perfect. You can draw as fast as you want. Haring's art was influenced by the fast-paced world of New York City. He worked fast too, sometimes completing up to 40 paintings in a single day. Keep drawing until your paper is full of lines and marks. You're done! With an adult's permission, share a photo of your art piece with us on social media by tagging The Broad and using hashtag #TheBroadFromHome. Next time you're at The Broad, you can see more artwork like Keith Haring's paintings that may inspire you to make art at home. Thanks for watching.